Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Chromebook. This is the Chromebook for HP, but it doesn't matter because the operation can work on every single Chromebook OS on the market. So to do the hard reset, you have to press Escape, Run, and power button together. Yep, so 1, 2, 3. This 3 button. Now as you see, we have a please insert recovery USB stick or SD card, and now we have to press Ctrl and D. To turn us verification off, press enter. That's it. The US verification is off, and now press space, enter, and your system will be rebooted and local data will be cleared. And as you see, in this case, the laptop now will be resetting and starting with the brand new firmware without any password and passcode on the computer. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey, if you want to wish to stay more and see how the system will install, just wait here and just look at it. If not, you can play next. As you see, we're gonna now choose the language from here. Connect with the Wi-Fi. Urządzenie używa aktualnej wersji oprogramowania. OK. There is some Wi-Fi issues next. Here we have to log in into a Google account, so we can go see the laptop like a guest. That's it. Accept and continue. And now you have reset your laptop and it's ready to go without any password. One more time, see you by next video. Hey!